For businesses poised for expansion and seeking a robust cloud-based financial management solution, Sage Intacct often emerges as a leading contender. Its reputation for powerful accounting features, real-time visibility, and scalability makes it an attractive option. However, like any sophisticated software, implementing Sage Intacct requires careful consideration of certain prerequisites to ensure a smooth and successful transition. Understanding these requirements upfront is crucial for effective project planning and avoiding potential roadblocks. While Sage Intacct is a cloud-native platform, meaning you won't need to invest in extensive on-premises hardware, there are still essential requirements spanning technical infrastructure, data considerations, and the internal capabilities of your organization. Let's break down these key areas to provide a clear picture of what's needed to bring Sage Intacct on board. Technical requirements, your digital foundation. As a cloud-based solution, the primary technical requirement for Sage Intacct is a reliable and stable internet connection. Given that all access and data interaction occur online, a consistent and reasonably fast internet service is non-negotiable. Intermittent or slow connections can lead to frustration, delays in data entry, and hinder real-time reporting capabilities. It's advisable to assess your current internet infrastructure and ensure it can handle the demands of regular cloud-based software usage across your team. Next, you'll need compatible devices to access the Sage Intacct platform. The software is designed to be accessible through standard web browsers on various devices, including desktop computers, laptops, and tablets. While specific operating system versions might have optimal performance, generally modern and updated versions of popular browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge will work seamlessly. It's always a good practice to check Sage Intacct's official documentation for the most up-to-date browser compatibility recommendations. While Sage Intacct doesn't necessitate significant local software installations, having up-to-date web browsers on your devices is essential for optimal performance and security. Regularly updating your browsers ensures compatibility with the latest web technologies and security protocols, contributing to a smoother and safer user experience. Data requirements, the fuel for your financial engine. The successful implementation of Sage Intacct heavily relies on the quality and preparedness of your financial data. Migrating your existing financial information accurately and efficiently is a critical step. This involves identifying the data you need to transfer, such as your chart of accounts, customer and vendor details, historical transaction data, and opening balances. Before the migration process begins, it's crucial to undertake a thorough data cleansing and validation exercise. This involves identifying and correcting any inconsistencies, errors, or duplicates in your existing data. Clean data ensures the accuracy and reliability of your financial reporting within Sage Intacct. Investing time in this stage will pay significant dividends in the long run.